We protect all your confidential information throughout the filing process. Schedule C applies to sales made at fixed locations. On the Schedule C page, the system will pre-populate your registered selling locations. Allocate your total taxable transactions made at each registered location. In this example, we are going to allocate $130,000 to our Stockton location and $7,000 to our Sacramento location. Then we will click Next to continue. On this page, click Yes if any of these business activity questions apply to your business. You will only see this page if you did not fully allocate your total taxable transactions on Schedule C. In this example, we are going to select Yes, then click Next to continue. On the Schedule B local tax page, you'll be able to allocate your taxable sales delivered or made at non-fixed locations. Other transaction types may also apply, such as construction contracts or leases. In this example, we made sales in Alameda County. We'll add Alameda County by using the drop-down menu. Next, we will enter the amount of taxable transactions made in that county. Remember, your total taxable transactions to be allocated on local tax schedules and total taxable transactions must be equal to continue. If you still have questions, please call our Customer Service Center at 1-800-400-7115.